Happy Tuesday and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday where we share innovative education ideas with our education community here in Connecticut. A couple Saturdays ago, the Microsoft store in West Farms, Connecticut hosted an education open house for Innovate Connecticut, and we had a fantastic event at that store. We thanked them for having us, and they shared a variety of different resources with us, which I wanted to share with you in today's video. I'll start with the Microsoft Education website, which you can see here. This is the main location where you can find all the different news about Microsoft education applications, activities, and technology that they have available for educators. Our friends at Microsoft shared a variety of STEM-related activities for students, including the very popular Minecraft Education Edition, which is a modified version of Minecraft, which your students probably know and love already, that actually helps teach the students how to code. Microsoft has pre-built lessons to help educators use the Minecraft Education Edition to teach students. Another opportunity for students is the Make Code section of the Microsoft Education website. Here you can find a variety of other tools other than Minecraft to help your students learn how to code. A new one that's in beta right now is called Arcade. And this is just another example of how you can help teach your students how to code by creating new projects, following tutorials, and doing a variety of different games that they can actually create and then play right in the browser. To wrap up, I wanted to just showcase the variety of learning tools Microsoft has available across their entire suite of products on multiple platforms that help kids with different education issues. That could involve reading, it could involve writing, it could involve speech as well, and there's a variety of accessibility tools that Microsoft now has. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find all these resources useful. Have a great day.